Vail Fucci here, your go-to gear gal for all things photography. Today I'm going to be unboxing this light from Raya. It's been sent to me from B&H, and opening up stuff from them always feels like it's a Christmas morning. I love opening up stuff. So let's see here. Open this up. I may actually be using this on a job today, bringing it out for its very first time. So we're on location here, and here it is, the R9 by Raya. I'm not sure. We'll have to find out. So anyway, but I have a feeling we're going to possibly use it for both even a background light to light our background, and possibly also to let my makeup artist be able to see their person that they're doing the makeup on while we're able to turn off the lights, so that I'm able to cut out all ambient and she's going to still be able to have really soft light on the client that is having their hair and makeup done at the same time. So that would be really cool. So let's see what else is in here. We have chargers for the batteries, because you can even make this thing wireless. You don't have to have it plugged into a wall. And like this, I can actually power it with battery. We have, a magnetic grip mount. Magnetic mount for cameras, light fixtures in here. Up to 100 pounds of pull resistance with giant rare earth magnets. Okay, that'll be really strong. Be interesting to see how that goes. And I'm assuming this will screw on top of it. And a little light stand that goes right onto a tabletop, so that it has a little screw on it, so that then it can exactly stay up. And with a klutz like me who tips things over, by having a little screw on the bottom, it's totally going to keep it in place. So that's really awesome. So, and one more battery, because it comes with the 2 on the back of it to charge it. So awesome, I can't wait to use this. Okay, now I'm gonna open this. Let's see what's inside here. Right, I'm betting it's a power cable. That's if I'm right. I don't know. Let's see. And I'm right. And the silicone thing, because you know, I'm right. Okay, so we've got our power cable there. Have one of the mounts for it. Here is the light itself. Now, one thing that's super cool about this is it has this little handle on the back, so you can literally have someone either hand holding it super easy. I can feel it's super light. You can go and stick on. And put this on, looks like up right here. Let's try it. Let's see if I'm good. Just that simple. Okay, so it has a great little diffusion panel on top of it there that'll make it so it's super nice and soft light on there. So, and then here's on the back if I wanted to be able to put the battery powered elements. But for right now, so we can do our let there be light moment, we're just going to use the little simple piece here. We can undo the tie. Exciting stuff. So where we fast forward this. Let there be light. Oh, all right. It has on the back, as my dimmer switch. I can actually see it has a digital readout for what percentage of my light strength that I have on there. Ooh. So all the way from 100%, like 99 in this case, all the way down by single digit increments, down to, it should be, 10% with it there. So I'm gonna keep it at 10 right now, because I wanna blind you guys at home. And then I can also change the color temperature of this. Looking at here right now, we're at 5600, and it'll go all the way down to 3200 of a nice warm light there. Go and bring it all the way up to 5600. Well, I can't wait to use this and see how it all goes. So we're on set right now at a corporate shoot, and I have Ashley, my assistant, and who also is a model and a makeup artist, who is here with me. And so one of the things that we have noticed is that when we are in a shot like this, and I'm using continuous lights, this is the Flex Kit, is that when you've got that super bright lights there for people's eyes, then when they look at and see me at the camera when I'm standing here, what do I look like, Ashley?
Just darkness, a dark shadow.
Dark shadow.
Darkness.
Okay, and I'm even going to pass this right off to her. Very, very dark. So when I'm trying to give guidance to my subjects as to posing and where to go, if I'm in a situation like this and it's this dark, it's very hard for them to follow what I'm doing. Enter the new light. If I pop this on, ta-da.
Now
They can actually see me at the same time there. And what's nice is it's still pretty soft. I haven't done it up to full power there. It's not terribly distracting to me to have this off to the side. And what's great is with it being battery powered, if I didn't have access to having a plug right there, can have it just sitting right there, right next to me, and it has no impact on it hitting the inside my lens, making my actual exposure change or anything like that. It's just being able to make it directional to me by it being a relatively small light source like that. But it's not, you know, pinprick so that it's just going to really hurt my eyes. So let's see, let's grab that shot. Let's see now if I've got you here. And now we can see the setup from both sides. And so you can actually see the camera and see me at the same time. Okay, let's see, and what it looked like before. If I go and I have this off, you can get an idea of just how dark it is from this side. Okay, so without the light on, okay, Ashley, with it, and I'm gonna shoot here, great. Okay, and I want you to tell me how many fingers am I holding? 4. Got it. She's correct. Good job, Ashley. How about now?
3.
Okay.
It's just taking me a minute
it's
to
pretty
find
hard
you.
to find me. Okay. So, let's throw on the light. Right? How many fingers?
2. I can see
Oh,
him
look,
so
you
fast.
can see it so fast. Oh my gosh, it's amazing. So now you can go and take our direction a little bit easier here. We're going to have you go just a little bit this way. Good, nice. Turn, perfect. Great. All right, so that's another really great use of this light right here. So here's another more typical use of the Raya light there. It's being used as a continuous background light there. So if I'm trying to simulate it being outdoors and we're trying to get a shot inside on a day that it's rainy or something like that, we can use this backdrop, and I need to have it lit up. And it gives this incredibly nice, soft illumination right there on the background from edge to edge. It just looks fantastic there. Not getting hot spots or anything like that. It just looks really, really nice with it there. The other way I can use it in a situation like this is to make it give the illusion of the actual light coming in, because when you're doing a thing like this of using a backdrop, you want to make sure that you're making the light look as similar as it is actually in the image that the backdrop was taken in. So in this case it had sun coming in from the side. So to make your subject end up looking actually lit correctly, you would want to have a source of light coming in from that side. And because it's that kind of afternoon sun shady color like that, I used the Raya to make it go all the way down to the 3200, as warm as it could on there, and do it from the side. And so here now I've got it so it's a bit of close enough that it's illuminated my backdrop, and it'll make it so that when my subject stands there, it's going to give them just a hint of light there over on them that's going to give it a more natural appearance, as if it's that same light of the sun that's hitting them as well from behind. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, be sure to subscribe to the feed here and be sure to hit the bell so that you'll get notifications anytime I put up new material. And if you have any questions at all, just feel free to put them in the comments below and I'll be happy to try to answer them for you. Hope you have a great day. Bye.